faces. OMG, I'm so excited. I have a special unboxing from Distracted by Diamonds / Paddy Waxx. This is a part of the 3 canvases that I'm collecting. The first canvas that's part of this series, or from the same artist. I don't know if it's a series really, or if you'd call it that. The first one was a gift to me from Sunny West. I got the Bumblebee by Jasmin Castillo, and inside we're going to take a look at Moth by Jasmin Castillo. So stay tuned. If you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos about diamond painting on an almost daily basis. So let's get into this package, shall we? Snip, snip. So on the front here, do not crush, bend, or fold, and fragile, handle with love, fragile. I love how it has a little heart here for the eye, but you guys don't care about that, so whatever. Okay, I think let's stretch it open. Ooh, it's so pretty. I love their boxes. So Distracted by Diamonds, and then we have Smile, Sparkle, Repeat, and here is the Moth. It's so beautiful, and it's a square. For some reason, I thought it was a round, but it is a square. The Bumblebee by Jasmin Castillo was also a square. So this is by the same artist who did the Bumblebee. I have the bat, so she also did a bat one that Distracted by Diamonds released. I have that on its way, and then I'll have all 3 canvases that they have from her. Just to note, if you are Canadian, shipping from Distracted by Diamonds is kind of costly. Like the kit itself was, I'd say around, I don't know, $70. I think it was like 60 something, but it ended up being plus $30 Canadian to ship it to Canada. And the kit ended up being like $99 Canadian. So it is very expensive. But after, ooh, I got a container this time. After Sandra West sent me the Bumblebee, I was like, okay, like I really love this Bumblebee. I need to get the other 2 Jasmin Castillos. So I went ahead and purchased those because I basically just love that. I just love her artwork, and yeah. So last time I didn't get one of these containers, so it's like almost a pill container, but you can put some diamonds in here. Maybe I'll save these and put some leftover ABs in it. I don't know yet. We have a toolkit, so you can see through the bag. You get one of those white boats, a blue pen, and a plate of wax. And we have our drills. Yay! Our drills come in baggies. Okay, if you know me, I actually, like, if they come in baggies, I don't care. I'll just work out of the baggies. I know some people will still kit these up, put them in containers, etc., but not me. I'm just going to work from the baggies, and that saves me from kitting up, because I hate kitting up. I hate kitting down. This makes it so easy. Look at all those colors, too. So pretty. The squares for the Bumblebee are, like, they turned out really nice. I haven't had any problems with them. No popping drills or anything like that, so that makes me really happy. Oh, before we look at that, we have our inventory sheet, or our schematic sheet. So here's a better thumbnail, and then just some information about Distracted by Diamonds. If you want to read it, you can pause and go ahead and read it. But you can find all their canvases here, paddywaxx.etsy.com. They only post 2 times a day, excluding I forget what days, but so if you go to their Etsy shop, they have it in the announcements. Make sure you read the announcements to know when she does post the canvases for sale, and they go really quick, so you gotta have fast fingers. Here's the schematic. Looks like there are 40 colors. I think there were 40 colors in the Bumblebee as well. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm just gonna roll this backwards. Look how gorgeous this Moth is. I love it. Literally, I love it. Oh my goodness. And there's like a white outline to it. I think I might have to use sparklers. I'm gonna have to order some sparklers. Thank you, Mariah and Sandra West, for getting me addicted to sparklers. Like, I already have in my head what I want to order, and I just need to like add them to my cart and order from DP with sparklers. So that's awesome. It's just another thing that I am addicted to, or I'm starting to become addicted to. So This is really pretty. This is definitely like, I'm going to put this one, the bumblebee and the bat, up on my wall. So at the top of the canvas, we have Distracted by Diamonds. You can take a look at the drill field. The drill field looks clear, except if you look, I'm trying to hold it and show you at the same time. If you look at the H here, it's kind of hard, like it seems like it's worn out. I don't know, like it's not exactly an H. And I believe that is an H. I think that's an H. So I will have to use my light pad. That's a little bit hard to see. But the rest of the drill field does look pretty clear. I don't see any huge issues. No, I'm not seeing any huge issues. Are you seeing any huge issues? The H, the G, I think is prominent enough that I will be able to see it. Same with the D. Same with the D. All right, so this is a schematic again. So I would, if I was recharting this or like redoing the symbols, I would make G a white in color because it's kind of hard to see. Same with D. Z is fine. Z, whatever you want to say. H for sure I would make into white text. And R I would make into white text. But like, it's nothing, like I kind of had the same issues on my previous, on the bumblebee canvas, but it's nothing that I was like really frustrated with. I literally just used my light pad and it worked better for me. But like with the naked eye and good lighting, you can see what symbol you're working on. So it's not that big of a deal, but it is just a little tiny bit like strenuous, an eye strain, whatever you want to call it. So let's take a tour of the canvas and then we'll kind of look at the drills. I'm not going to take them all out, but... Okay, so that's the canvas. Now let's take a look at the drills. We'll roll that up. There's not going to be any special drills in here. And again, this is a square diamond painting. And I didn't have issues with the drills in Bumblebee, so I'm not expecting to have issues. The Bumblebee one didn't come kitted up in Ziplocs. It was actually just like the normal heat sealed bag. So this is a nice change. I'm excited that they do come in baggies. You can see all the colors. There's going to be a lot of 310, so this black color. And I will probably swap out the white for some sparklers. I don't know. We'll see when I start working on this. I might work on this one next, but I'm kind of squared out. So like I've been doing too many squares, not physically squared out. But so we'll see what happens. You can, if you didn't know, I post all my finishes, well, the majority of my finishes on my Instagram page. My link is in the description below. So if you want to follow me there and see my finishes, you can. I will be doing a video eventually when I'm unlazy. And I will show you guys the finishes I've done so far this year. But anyways, if you like this video, it is helpful to you, let me know by hitting the thumbs up button and by subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. Do you have this one? Do you love Jasmin Castillo as much as I do? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!